Here come the openers. Wicket with a loud cheer. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, close. Huge appeal and given. Oh, that's close. It's a huge appeal. That is a very good shout and they're going to review it. That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wicket at this stage.
Reaching outside. Impact outside. Wicket sitting. I'm afraid you need to overturn your decision. You'll be on screen now.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up. All the way. That was an absolute gift for the batsman and he cashed in. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That's poor running between the wickets. He has left that one alone. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. He has gone for a loose stroke. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for six. He has been open and the batsman should be looking to get this easy single. He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. What a ball. That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a feature delivery. arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. It's on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.